Hello, in this video we'll be going over los barandales de puente, violin 2. A couple things to touch base on. We do have one sharp, which is F sharp, so that means you're in the key of a G. That means when you play this F sharp on the E string, you'll be playing 1 and 2, touching. When you play low F sharp on the D string, 2 and 3 are going to be touching. Let's begin. Beginning. 1, 2, 3. It's the beginning. And then the first phrase we have, which is measure 28, goes like this. 1, 2, 3. And then the ending, of course, on 34 is going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 1. Alright, don't be afraid to double stop. It means plucking 2 strings at once. Right here on that C is going to be a up bow and then down. Okay.